In this video, let's take a look at the Modal component in React Native. Modal is a screen that overlays the app content to provide important information or prompt the user for a decision. Since they are purposefully interruptive, make sure you use them only when necessary. Let's switch back to VS Code and understand its usage. For our example, let's learn how to show and hide a modal on press of a button. To begin, import the Modal component from React Native. Just before the closing view tag, define a modal element. The modal opening and closing tags act as a container, and within it, we define a view that represents the content to be presented. I will duplicate the view component from above, modifying the background color to light blue. Inside the view component, I will add a text component with the text modal content. I will also add a button labeled close with the color midnight blue. This should be familiar to you by now. All right, we have defined our modal, but by default, it is always visible. We need to control its visibility based on user interaction. To achieve this, we require a state variable. Let's import the useState hook from React. And within the app component, create the state variable isModalVisible with a setter function setIsModalVisible, and the default value for the state variable is false. Now, let's bind this variable to the visible prop of the modal component. So visible is equal to isModalVisible, and since it is false by default, the modal is initially hidden. To toggle the visibility of the modal, we need to modify the onPress event of the button component to call the setter function setIsModalVisible, passing in a value of true. Finally, let's add another event handler to the button within the modal component to close it. So on press, an arrow function, setIsModalVisible, and we pass in false to hide the modal. We are now ready to test the code. In the simulator, we have our view with a plum background and the press button. Click the button, and the modal will be displayed. Click the button within the modal, and the modal will be hidden. Pretty straightforward usage, as you can see. It is also recommended to include another prop called onRequestClose, where we call setIsModalVisible, passing in false. The onRequestClose handler is triggered when the user presses the back button on Android or dismisses the modal with a gesture on iOS. In either of the two scenarios, we want to hide the modal. All right, let's now explore a few more props related to modals. If we click on the press button, you can see there is room for improvement in terms of transition. Currently, the modal abruptly appears and disappears. This is because the animation type prop is set to none by default. So animation type is none by default. The prop accepts two other values. If we set it to slide, the modal will slide in from the bottom. You can clearly observe this in the simulator. Alternatively, you can set the value to fade, in which case the modal will fade into view. Fade in and fade out. The same applies to Android as well. Finally, there is a prop called Presentation Style, which is set to full screen by default. You can change this to either Form Sheet or Page Sheet to alter the appearance. For now, I'll set it to Page Sheet and change back the animation type to slide as it makes for a much better effect. When I open the Modal, you can see the UI is now completely different. This is the page sheet presentation style. Form sheet also provides a similar UI, but they differ on larger iOS devices. Form sheet is narrow, while page sheet is wider. It is really important to note this prop presentation style only affects iOS and not Android. As an exercise, I encourage you to open an iPad simulator and toggle between form sheet and page sheet values for the presentation style prop. Let me know in the comment section if you were successful in implementing it. So to summarize what we have learned, the modal component in React Native allows us to present important information or prompt user decisions. You can define a modal using the modal component with the desired content nested as its children. The visibility of the modal can be controlled using the visible prop, and the onRequest close callback is used to close the modal when it is dismissed through hardware interaction. We can use the animation type prop to add fancier appearance transitions to the modal, and the presentation style prop in iOS to modify its presentation. Thank you for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.